friends, welcome to Student Corner. We will discuss some important problems in class 1 CBSE. Find the point on y-axis which is equidistant from the point -5, -2 and 3, 2. Let the point be P. And the x-coordinate is 0 because it is on y-axis. The y-coordinate we will take as y. The points are A and B. These are equidistant from the point P. Hence the distance is equal. Distance formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now distance from PA is equal to PB. And hence x2 minus x1 minus 5 minus 0 whole square, y2 minus 2 minus y whole square. Here x2 3 minus 0 whole square, y2 2 minus y whole square. Now for this the formula is a minus b whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 5 whole square plus minus 2 minus 5 whole square plus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 5 whole square, because the roots will get cancelled. And as minus 5 whole square is 25. This is a minus b whole square minus 2 whole square minus 2ab plus y square. This is also we will write like that. Now by cancelling all this we will get 29 plus 4y minus 13 plus 4y is equal to 0. Now 16 plus 8y is equal to 0. And 8y is minus 16. And hence y is equal to minus 2. We will get that point. The point on y-axis is 0, minus 2. This is the another problem. The x-coordinate of point P is twice its y-coordinate. If P is equidistant from the points Q and R, find the coordinates of P. X-coordinate, the point P is twice its y-coordinate. That is, x is 2a, y is a. The points Q and R are equidistant from the point P. And hence the distance formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2. This is x1 and this is x2. x2 2 minus 2a whole square plus minus 5 minus a whole square. This minus 3 minus 2a whole square plus 6 minus a whole square. The formula for this is a minus b whole square. This is a and this is b. 2 whole square minus 2ab plus b square. This is also we will write like this for all this. By cancelling we will get 2 whole square is 4 minus 8a plus 2a whole square is 4a square plus 5 square 25. 2 5 is 10, 10a plus a square. This side 3 square is 9, 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12 a plus 2a is 4a square. Minus into minus will become plus. 6 whole square is 36, 2 6 is 12a minus only plus a square. By cancelling both sides, a square is cancelled with a square, minus 12a plus 12a, 4a square, 4a square. Now by adding 9 plus 36 is 45, 25 plus 4 is 29 and minus 8a plus 10a is plus 2a. Now 2a is equal to 45 minus 29. So 2a is equal to 16 and a is equal to 8. We get 1 point. Now 2a is equal to 2 multiplied with 8 is we will get 16. Hence the point P is 16, 8. Thank you. I hope this is useful to you. Please share and subscribe my channel.